Carlsberg and Huggies Nappies. Carly, not Carlsberg. No, I don't drink that, does it? I'm not getting a lot of things right today.
Was Stella, but
too strong for him.
the wife up too much.
Peter up that much, 6 foot under. There comes Stan heading towards us. There goes his arm in the air. Green flag, 2-minute routine starts. Oh, nice clap there. Will he get his... Oh, look. He went for it. He went for the big pose. Spinning that ski round. 180 bulldog. Spins that round. That was a 3/4 bulldog. I think he was going to go for a bulldog sub. Just setting his wake up there, coming back up, he's going to hit it. Big jump. Boy, going to go for a backflip then. Here he goes again. Onto the chin pad. Into the edge. Oh! Wanted to trim that bush. There he goes, flat out, look at that. I'm glad he can find the throttle. There he goes again, look at that. Spin round. Oh, he goes getting a bit of paddle as well. He's on fire today, Stan is. Here he goes, he's going for a rodeo. There's one. There's 2, there's 3, and has he got it? Has he got it? Yeah, right in. Ah, well done. Transition into the tray. Spinning that ski round. 180, 15 seconds left. 15 seconds left for Stan. What will he have next? He's going for handstand. Oh, he's laying down, he's having a relax, spins it back into the tray, into a fountain, and there is time over for Stan. If you like to put